What an absolute mission, guys, absolute mission. So I've managed to get the cooler out, still trying to figure out, you can see the one that caused me some issues. That one there, you can see it's actually spun it. But the power snap-on, it's still got it, man. But I couldn't get into it. I've managed to get the bolts out of this pipe. God knows where I get it back on, man. It is all weight, it's just using the force, man. So I'm just going to use the force now. I'm trying to get this out. I did try and get, I'll show you in a minute once I get this out here, but I did try and get the pipe off. Can't get the pipe off it. Even there, I still can't get this out. So it's might be a wait. But oh, it does make most balanced in there. See it? Ting boy. Ting tool. So I'm trying to get that down here so I can get this. Ah, there we go. There we go. So, right. It will come out. It's got to come out there, surely. Hey man, that was rather difficult. Welcome back. If you like and subscribe on the YouTube channel, guys, go on. This is not easy, guys, not easy. So, as you can see, it's a Land Rover. This is a rangeroversport, man. It's an L320. EGRs. EGRs. I'm not seeing anything wrong with the coolers. A real fight, man. A real fight getting the thing out. So that's one of the bolts that was through. That one, I think it was in. Ah, that one or that one. One of the difficult ones anyway. So, and can I get the I've got the other side out. You've all seen that. I've got the other side out. Bit of jaggery poke away. That's going to break, innit? That's going to break as well. So we'll see about that. So we've been cracking on for the past 2 days, getting nowhere. We have walked away for it a few times because sometimes you need to do yourself, you need to walk away. And, I was adamant, I was lifting the body on this morning. I was adamant there was no way that was coming out of there. And to be honest with you, even with the cooler separated, I don't know how I'm going to get it back in, to be honest. I have been a bit brutal to get it out of there, a bit brutal to be honest with you. I mean, there's the two that we first went to, we couldn't get it returned, so those two away down there, which is your manifold. Obviously you get your turbo there. See on our page last night they were talking about messaging about asking about gaskets on the turbo. You can see there's definitely no turbo on that one, no gasket on that turbo there. So if you've stripped it a long time ago and you go to put it back together and go, oh, I've lost the gasket, you've not. Just get a good old clean, make sure the surfaces are good, and it'll be fine. It should be fine. So we'll get this snap-on half rods. We'll get a snap-on ratchet with a Halfords socket on it. What am I? Just to see. Ah, right, let's go shear. It looks like it's at an angle. It's a funny angle! I didn't shear it, I just stripped it. Let's see if we can get this socket back. I wanted to see. I'll see if I've got a brand new fucking one out, so. That one goes into 5. Right, so. Right. So that's the 4 that's on it. We'll see. It's definitely 4. Yeah. So we'll see if we can get that off and come back. See what these bolts do. These will probably break. So. Oh. Almost get that off of there. So, aye. Left twix. Right twix. You know what I mean? Right, left, both crap. The size of them, man. What's wrong with old skinny tube style? These big huge coolers on them made out of alloy and that. What's that all about, man? What was that all about? So, And what's down there is your ace pump. Ace pump's down there. Aircon condenser is down there as well, I think. Yep, aircon. So, and that's your turbo. Oh, don't drop my new phone. That's me turbo down there. That's the turbo. Aye, it's a world of pain, man, in here. World of pain. God knows, I may take the fuel pump mat off because you can just see. It's not a fuel pump, sorry, the fuel wheel. May take the fuel wheel off because you can just see it was very tight to get out, even in two halves. Whereas that side, I was able to pull that. I don't know why. Why is maybe slightly more room? I don't know. They're pretty symmetrical. You can get the engine. You can't get to the engine mount on these. To get the engine mount, you need to take the diff out it. So, at the engine mount of these L320s, you need the diff out. You can see there's tools underneath. There's about 1 million heat shields off it, man. I'll get my spanner. Oh no. Oh no. Right. I know where the magnet is, it's sitting in the sprinter. God damn it. Right, so, anyway. Tying up my lamp. Oh, going to be on the floor, man, so I really could be doing this one away now. I really could, man, but it's been fighting us. You've got a blue glove in there, I need to get out of that. So, guys, so that is going to go onto there, onto that cooler. Well, obviously, we won't be able to put it on and put it together. We're going to need to put this in a jigsaw. So that side we custom mazed it. This side we're going to need a jigsaw. We're going to need to put the pipe onto the valve, put the valve in, and then put the cooler in, and then bolt it all up with those big crappy bolts that we've seen, which is these buggers. And you see it, it's all spun on it. So I'll try and get a. Yeah, you can see it there. So good snap on it. I still spun it. But aye, not easy, guys. Not easy.